How to write 0.7375 as a fraction in simplest form? We need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep the decimal and write the number you are getting. We are getting this number. And for denominator, for every digit you have to consider 10. We have 4 digits after decimal, so you write 410 as a multiplication. This is the fractional form. Now we need to reduce this fraction. To reduce this fraction in one step, you need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor or divisor. But if you want to simplify this fraction in multiple steps, then you need to divide numerator and denominator by the common factor. This number has 5 at the last, so this is divisible by 5. This number has 0 at the last, so this is also divisible by 5. If we do so, we will get 2. And for this number, look, 5 goes into, just divide by 5. 5 goes into 7. How many times? 1 times 1 times 5, 5. Subtract 2, bring down this 3. 5 goes into 23, 4 times. 4 times 5, 20. Subtract 3, bring down this 7. 5 goes into 37, 7 times. Then 7 times 5, 35. Subtract 2, bring down this 5. 5 goes into 25, 5 times. So we are getting here 1475. Again, look, you can divide this number by 5 and this number by 5, you will get 2, and you will get what? Look, 5 goes into 14 2 times. 2 times 5, 10. Subtract 4, bring down this 7. 5 goes into 47 how many times? 9 times. 9 times 5, 45. Subtract 2, bring down this 5. 5 goes into 25, 5 times. So you get 295. Again, this is divisible by 5. We will get 2. This is also divisible by 5. Look, 5 goes into 29 how many times? 5 times 5, 25. Subtract 4. Bring down this 5. 5 goes into 45 9 times. So we are getting here how many times? 59. Look, now 59 divided by 2 times to 4, 4 times to 8 times 10. Now multiply 8 times 1, 8, add 0. This 59 has only two factors, which is 1 and 59. 59 is a 1 times 59, 59. So 1 and 59 the factors of 59. You will not get any two numbers between this number, two number, that if you multiply that two number, that produce this. So this is a prime number. If you get any prime number, either in numerator or denominator, you are done. This is the simplified version.